how to mix and replace antifreeze or coolant in your scooter or car even. I checked my manual for my bike and it's telling me I use antifreeze coolant. I brought a concentrate mixture. You'll see I've got boiling water there in that other jug, and in the plastic one it's for measuring. So I'm basically pouring out half of the contents. This is 1 liter, so I'm using 500 milliliters of actual coolant, and I'm going to use about half water boiled. I know it says some places use distilled water or deionized water. That's basically water in its purest form with no bits in there. But I think for my cooling system, this is going to be adequate. So I've already taken my radiator off. I've flushed out everything. I've cleaned it. I'm just replacing it. So you fill up your liquid solution, coolant, into your main input, which goes into your radiator. There's going to be an overflow tank. I put some in there as well. I started the bike up and I let it flow through. What will happen is you'll see bubbles immersing from the lid. I left the lid open on purpose. That was to allow the escape of the little bubbles. You'll see that, so it's filling everything up. I did a couple of runs of that, and that allowed me to make sure that you can see the reservoir went down. So that's because it took in water. I put the lid back on after about 10 minutes, and now I'm topping that up again to let you see how it will automatically bubble out, because the cap is designed to allow the air to come out, and then is replaced with coolant antifreeze. And as the antifreeze goes into the system, you're basically getting rid of air. I filled this reservoir up 2 to 3 times and it worked perfectly. My bike's staying cool and it's not going to freeze in winter. So that's how to do that. A quick video there to help you. Make sure to check out my series where I'm doing further more updates and restoration on my 250cc scooter. You'll see the next video in this series in the playlist.